Hello guys, here we have another question for simplification. Question number 10. 1 upon 1 minus x plus 1 upon 1 plus x plus 2 upon 1 plus x square plus 4 upon 1 plus x power 4. There are 4 terms. And denominators all are different here. 1 minus x, 1 plus x, 1 plus x squared, 1 plus x power 4. But when we multiply the first two denominators, we will get 1 minus x squared. And third denominator we have 1 plus x squared. If you multiply these two, we will get 1 minus x power 4, and the fourth denominator we have 1 plus x power 4. So if you take the LCM turn by turn, first from the first two terms, then it is combined with the third one, and again what we get, that will be combined with the fourth one. If you go in this way, taking the LCM step by step, it will be easier for us. If you start taking LCM at a time, it will be too long and we cannot multiply. We can multiply, but it will be very difficult for us. Therefore, to avoid the long multiplication, what we do is we take the LCM first from the first two terms, then we combine with the third term, then what we get, we combine with the fourth term. So let's take the LCM from the first two terms. So what is the LCM? 1 plus x times 1 minus x. So 1 minus x cancel, what remains there? 1 plus x, here 1 plus x cancels, remains 1 minus x. So plus 2 upon 1 plus x square and plus 4 upon 1 plus x power 4. We have as it is the third term and fourth term. Now this plus x minus x cancel, 1 plus 1, 2 upon 1 plus x, 1 minus x, we can write it 1 minus x square, because a plus b times a minus b, it is a square minus b square, plus 2 upon, it is 1 plus x square, and plus 4 upon 1 plus x to the power 4. Look here guys, now we take the LCM from these two terms. As we took the LCM from the first two terms, similarly now we are taking the LCM from these two terms. So what is the LCM? 1 plus x square times 1 minus x square. So with these two, this 1 minus x square will be cancelled. So we have to multiply 1 plus x square with these two, and similarly for these two in the second term, 1 plus x square will be cancelled. So what will remain there? 1 minus x square, and this last term 4 upon 1 plus x power 4 as it is. Now we open the bracket. 2 plus 2x square plus 2 minus 2x square upon for this 1 plus x power 4 times 1 minus x power 4, it is in the form of a square minus b square. A plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So plus 4 upon 1 plus x power 4, the last term. Then it is this plus 2x square minus 2x square cancels. 2 plus 2, it gives 4 upon 1 minus x power 4. X square, whole square, it is x power 4. 1 square, it is 1. And plus 4 upon 1 plus x power 4. Now we take the final LCM from the remaining two terms. So what is LCM? 1 plus x power 4, 1 minus x power 4. So 4 times this 1 plus x power 4 plus 4 times this cancels, so 1 minus x plus 4 will be remaining there. Now open the bracket. 4 plus 4x power 4 plus 4 minus 4x power 4 upon, again the denominator we have in the form of a plus b times a minus b, is it a square minus b square. A square minus b square is x plus 4 over square. Now this plus 4x power 4 and minus 4x power 4 cancel. So 4 plus 4 It is 8 upon 1 minus x power 4 into 2. So it is x power 8. Because the power always multiplied together. We know that a to the power m to the power n, that is a to the power m into n. Like if we have a square to the power 5, it is a to the power 2 into 5, a to the power 10, just like this here. 4 into 2, it is 8. So this is the answer of this class. Here we have another question for simplification. Question number 11. There are 4 terms, b upon a minus b plus b upon a plus b plus 2ab upon a square plus b square plus 4a cube b upon a power 4 plus b power 4. So how do we simplify this expression, rational expression? If you observe the denominators a minus b, a plus b, a square plus b square, a power 4 plus b power 4, we do not take LCM at a time, it will be too long. It will be very difficult for us to multiply. Therefore, here also we take the LCM from the first 2 terms only. We get a plus b, a minus b. If we multiply, it will be a square minus b square. And third denominator, we have a square plus b square. From there, we will get a power 4 minus b power 4. And last denominator, we have a power 4 plus b power 4. In this way, after every step, we get the form a square minus b square. That means a plus b times a minus b. So let's start taking the LCM from the first 2 terms. So what is the LCM here? A plus b, a minus b. In the first 2 terms only, a plus b times a minus b. With this b, what will be remaining? When you divide this LCM by the denominator, a minus b will be cancelled. A plus b will be remaining there. To multiply with this b, again the second term, b times this a plus b cancels, remains a minus b, and this 2ab upon a square plus b square, third term, and 4 a cube b upon a power 4 plus b power 4. We write as it is. Now we open the bracket here, a into b, ab plus b into b, b square. Similarly, plus ab minus b square upon, for this a plus b into a minus b, we write a square minus b square plus 2ab upon a square plus b square plus 4a cube b upon a4 plus b4 as it is. Now this plus b square minus b square cancels, ab plus ab. It is 2ab like term added together, and a square minus b square plus 2ab upon this a square plus b square plus 4a cube b upon a power 4 plus b power 4. Look here guys, now we take the LCM from the first 2 terms. 2ab upon a square minus b square plus 2ab upon a square plus b square. If we take the LCM from these 2 terms only, so what will be the LCM? A square plus b square, one factor, and this a square minus b square, another factor, because you don't have any factor common here. A square minus b square and a square plus b square. Total different factors. It can be written in the form of a plus b, a minus b. By writing this also, we do not have any factor common there. So what we have, a square plus b square and a square minus b square, it will be the LCM. So this with this 2ab, what will be remaining there? For multiplication, a square plus b square, and with this 2ab in the second term, this cancels, a square minus b square, and this last term as it is, 4a cube b upon a power 4 plus b power 4 as it is. Now we open these 2 brackets. 2ab times a square plus b square, again plus 2ab times a square minus b square. So let's multiply this. 2ab into a square, 2a into a square, a cube into b, 2a cube b, 2a cube b, look here, and plus 2 2ab into b square b cube. 2a into a square a cube b as it is 2a cube b, again 2ab plus this we have b square here, so 2ab into b square 2ab into b square b cube 2ab cube. Similarly here 2ab into a square 2a cube b plus minus 2ab into b square 2ab cube upon, we can write this a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and this last term as it is 4a cube b upon a power 4 plus b power 4. So this 2ab cube, 2ab cube plus minus cancel. So 2a cube b, 2a cube b, look at these are the like terms, a cube b, a cube b. So 2 plus 2, 4 a cube b upon it is a power 4 minus b power 4 plus 4 a cube b upon a power 4 plus b power 4, the last term. Now we take the LCM, now final LCM, we have the two terms only. So what is the LCM here? A power 4 plus b power 4 times a power 4 minus b power 4, because here also we do not have any factor common. So with this 4a cube b, what will be remain there to be multiplied? This a power 4 minus b power 4 cancel. So it remains a power 4 plus b power 4 plus this 4a cube b, and this side we have now this and this cancel, a4 minus b4, a4 minus b4. Now we open the bracket. Look at 4a cube b into a power 4. What is the product? 4a cube b into a power 4. So 4a to the power, and this 3 plus 4 on the same base, the powers are added together, so it becomes 7. So 4a to the power 7b plus 4a cube b to the power b into b to the power 4, what is the 5b, so b to the power 5, and there also 4a to the power 7b minus 4a cube b to the power 5 upon a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Now this 4a cube b power 5 plus 4a cube b power 5 minus, so finally 4a power 7b, 4a power 7b like terms added together, 4 plus 4, 8a power 7b upon, this is a power 8 into b power 8. So this is the required answer. Thank you. Bye bye.